Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about chickpeas and aquafaba. What is that? Aquafaba simply means bean water. And that's exactly what aquafaba is, would be the liquid that you find in canned chickpeas. Now why is that something noteworthy to be talking about? A lot of people use that liquid, aquafaba, as a replacement for eggs, and they can actually whip it up into a meringue or something like you would do with whipping up egg whites, and you can incorporate it into baked goods, and it'll help give some lift to them and some lightness to them as well. So I've got a couple links in my notes on my blog about aquafaba and how to use them to replace eggs with it. But basically it's the liquid in the can of chickpeas, and to use that you just, before you open the can, you want to give it a good shake, because it's the starch that's in that water that really matters, and the proteins in there as well, and they might settle toward the bottom of the can. So if you shake that can up really well first, then drain your beans in a colander over a bowl so that you can collect that liquid. Do what you want to do with the canned beans and then utilize that liquid. One tip when you're whipping the liquid and making a meringue out of it is if you use a little bit of cream of tartar in there with it, like you would when you're whipping up egg whites, it will help the foam to retain its shape so that you can use it and it'll last longer. If you don't use the cream of tartar, it's going to dissipate relatively quickly. So the rule of thumb would be 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar to 1/2 cup or 8 tablespoons of the bean liquid or aquafaba. Anyway, do check out the links that I've got there, and I've got some recipes in the recipe section on my blog using aquafaba as well. So give that a try sometime. Do look into it. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.